In 2019, the Mastercard Foundation introduced the Young Africa Work Strategy, aiming to generate employment for 3 million youths across Africa. Teaming up with PSFU, $41 million was allocated for 36 lead farm structures, targeting to create 300,000 jobs in Uganda. Noteworthy among them is Newman's Foods, where 1.7 billion shillings was invested in business development services, resulting in 5,200 jobs, spanning from farmers to outgrowers, with 200 directly employed at their Nakawuka factory in Mwakiso district. The overarching goal of this initiative remains job creation.
PSFU, supported by Mastercard Foundation. The total project value is $41 million, and we are working with 36 companies in Uganda, including Macdo, now Newman's. We work with Mukwano as well, the likes of Mukwano. We work with KDS. There are 36 of them, and the model is literally the same. We come in, we support you with business development services, but critically, we support you to increase the number of young people who you work with to support you get your inputs, because our one interest is actually the job that is created. So under this entire program, actually, so far we've created 109,000 jobs through these 36 companies. And we've been doing that for the last 3 years. We still have 2 more years to go. And by the end of the program, we expect to have created 300,000 jobs. So that's the plan. But of all these 36, they are the likes of Newman's, where we come in, find you where you are, and then help you we just catalyze you.
5,185 are all in work, are earning, including the 200 that are directly employed here. As with 2 other firms, you're going to see them. We found him with around only 70 workers, but he has managed to grow, to employ around 200 young people, and most of them are females. And through our support, we've managed to open different markets, regional and international markets. Regional, South Sudan, Congo, he's exporting the regional markets, even domestic markets, through our market activations, the BPS that we provide. He has managed to grow his market share. We found him at 30% domestically, now he's at 35%, and still growing. Again, through our support, we made him, he attracted other investors coming to his company. He has already told you, because of PSFU, because we are the first partners to work with him. So imagine how we organize the whole systems around, and he's a very compliant.
Newman's Foods, established in 2017 in a rented space, has flourished with PSFU's support, now generating 5,000 direct jobs and indirect jobs, as highlighted by the commercial director.
See, we moved to now the snacks that have made Newman's popular as a brand. We did cassava crisps, we did potato, gonja, name it, as a brand for Newman's. That's when PSFU found us. And we are very excited because at first we didn't know, we didn't know if we could get the support we needed, just like any other investment, any other growing brand. And then they came to us and spoke to us, and the rest was history. They've been supporting us with pretty much everything. We moved from that and shifted to our facility where we are here at Nakawuka. I think it's not even triple, it's not even quadruple. We have expanded tremendously.
Damali Sali underscores that despite the progress and tested successes in the project, certain lead farms face challenges due to governance mindset issues, where some fail to register successes as they struggle to structure their businesses according to the provided advice, hindering their growth.
As with everything, you can't have 100%. So a lot of the challenges we found is governance challenges. So some companies have they have an owner who may not be flexible enough to take the recommendations that we're giving. For example, when we say that you need to have a finance director who has the powers to actually do finance directing, not you, the owner, becoming also the accountant, becoming the procurement, director, everything. So that's, in fact, the first piece of advice when we come in, we give you that there has to be a finance director, there has to be someone in charge of procurements, someone in charge of HR, not only your cousins and friends and family should be employees. There has to be a system. So one of the critical, in fact, the first things that we do in terms of business development is to come in and advise you on how to structure your company. And if you can't structure your company, then it will stay small and we actually can't work with you, because then it's a one-man show. It's a corner shop.